Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to put white background on a picture, especially if you're selling on Amazon using Paint 3D. So if you're in Paint, open your picture or get your picture from your files, from your picture file from MS Word. You would just go into Pictures, click on the picture, click on your right hand mouse, and then just open with. So you open with 3D Paint if you've got 3D Paint. So you just go here. This is your picture. So you just go to Magic Select, and then you just move the bars to the first point, which is this one. Yeah, like so. That's it. And then you move the bottom one just a bit up. So it's just moving bottom ones. Then you click next on your far right, next. Okay, now you have your picture. It's all been it's all been marked, it's highlighted. Now all you have to do is autofill. No, you don't want to autofill the background on your far right there. So you just unclick the tick on the autofill background, and then you go to done. There it goes. It will appear like this with all these degree angles, so you can change, you can flip it here and there if you want. So all you have to do is click on it and hold, and then you just move it to the side. You lift it, you put it on the side, and then you click the select button on the left top hand right corner, and then you select the picture, the canvas. You can see there it's all white because the picture has been lifted up. So you click on the canvas and then right hand click, and you go to canvas options. So here you got the options. Let me just draw you a bit closer here. You got the options where you've got the pixels. I'll be listing this on Amazon, so I need like 1,000 pixels height, 1,000, and here on the width it has to be like 695 will do. Normally 690, that's the minimum. So, and then lock aspect ratio, no, you don't want to lock because you might want to change. So, and then you enter. There we go. So we've got a big canvas here, but we still have to make the background white and then put the blouse back on white background. So what you do is you click on select, and then you pick up the brushes. Your brushes will be like this, and then this is the one you want, is the eraser. So you don't want to paint, you just want to erase and have a plain white background. So you pick the eraser, and then you want it thick because you haven't got time to go with a small brush. So you come back to your picture, and then you just start erasing it all. You erase all the background with that big eraser you've picked on. So you got here your white background, like completely white. Then you go into select on the left hand top corner, and then you click on the blouse there. So we want to take it back onto the picture. There it goes. So you have your blouse on the background, yeah, and it looks so beautiful on there, because Amazon doesn't accept like anything else on the background except just the picture and a clear white background. And this is another way of getting it. So all my pictures have been accepted on Amazon. On this I've used MS Paint 3D, and just like that. And then you have to click, when you start, you have to click smooth edges. It will be on the right when you start to what was it saying again? Okay, when you start to lift up the picture, I omitted a stage on the right there. On the right, there will be something that says smooth edges. So you click on smooth, so you get smooth edges. I got them because I clicked it on it earlier on. So I've been using quite a while. So that's it. And then you go into menu. There's menu. And then you save your picture like save as. And then image pictures. It is, if you want a transparent one, you click transparent background. If you want to change the pixels, you can still change before you save. If you want to lock, you can lock the ratios. I prefer unlocking. And then here you can just choose whether you want JPG or PNG, BM, whichever you want to choose. I like to go with JPEG because it's most accepted, the most nice one, you know. And there it is, you go. And then if you want to save it in percentages, in pixels, it's all up to you. I prefer pixels. So you save. There it goes. It's now all saved. I save it into my clothes. I'll save it into, I'll just save it here so you guys can see it. Okay, then let's go into pictures. See if we can find it. Okay, there it goes. So here it is. There it is on white background, and you can use it on Amazon and anything else, but it's completely purely white. So good luck with it. If you've got any questions, just put them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Good luck with it.